everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved this emerald green glitter glam makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys watch till the end and you like what you see, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So the palette that I went in with is the At For A Sight palette from Raw Beauty Christie and ColourPop. I've used this palette a few times on my channel and I absolutely love it. I love how there are some brighter colors and some more neutral colors, so you can really adjust to what you're in the mood for. So the first shade that I went in with is this really light burnt orange type of shade, and I just picked that up with a fluffy blending brush, and I just put that shade in my crease, just going in back and forth motions kind of as my background shade before I go in with some darker eyeshadows. And next I went in with this matte green shade, and it's kind of like a deep green shade, and I just picked that up with a defined angled brush, and I just started to create that line of definition in my crease. And don't worry, because we are going to blend it out, but if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I like to do a line just because it just gives that sharpness right off the back and I don't have to keep going back in and add more and more depth. And then I go back in with my transition shade and a fluffy brush and just go in circular motions and back and forth motions just to really blend that out. And then I went in with the concealer that I used to prime my lid, and I just cleaned up the lid area, mainly focusing it on the inner part of my lid. And then I went in with this really beautiful shimmery green shade, and I picked that up and just applied it all over my lid. And I wasn't too precise with this because we are going to cover it all up with a glitter. And the glitter that I went in with is this really beautiful green glitter from Anastasia called Color Wave. And I used the NYX glitter primer. And I just packed that glitter all over my lid. I always apply the NYX glitter glue first, and I just wait like 5 seconds before I apply the glitter right over top. And for lashes, I used these lashes that I got from Amazon. I would link them down below, but I honestly trimmed a lot of the lash on the top, so what you see isn't necessarily what you're gonna get, if that makes sense, because I did customize them a lot. And then I went in with that first transition shade and I applied it all over my lower lash line, and then I went in with that matte green shade. I mainly focused it really close to the lashes and on the outer corner, and then I blended it out. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for supporting my channel and continuing to watch my videos. I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.